I don't know why my flash just came up, but today's Wednesday, day 4, and we're at St. Thomas. I'm gonna see the end. I hear chickens. Can you hear that? And look at all of those homes that have solar on the roof. Looks like one resort maybe has solar on the roof. But there's a lot of small ships. Isn't it beautiful? Chickens. But look how the homes are like purple and yellow and green. It's pretty. Just took a shower and I'm eating breakfast. Yeah. It looks like they're turning around and backing up. Can you spot the Christmas tree? There, right in the middle. It's peaceful. It looks like there's gonna be a little bit of rain. We found a chair. We're sitting up. We're protected from the rain. I think it's Christmas with the cranks. Right? It's Christmas. Okay. Oh, rum cakes. Rum cakes. Oh, the poor baby. That's what I want to do. Let's look at the t-shirts. They're 32? 32 each? Okay. Oh, poor baby. What do people do with a loose diamond, honey? I don't want it loose. I might drop it. Oh, nice trees. Oh, it's beautiful. $16 t-shirt. $16. There's polo shirts. 5X. Clark store. Okay. I love that. Whoa, look how beautiful that is. I love kettle corn. It's just not free sample. Could try a free sample.
How you doing?
I would like to try a free sample. I love kettle. He doesn't, but I do.
Bags of $5 and you can take it on the ship.
All right. Oh, they let you? Thank you for letting me know.
Thank you. Yes, I will.
That is a cute picture. That's cute. Steve, let's get our picture right here. It's called the Kevingdom. We probably should go back. I don't think there's any this side. They're going back to their ship. But those ladies took a picture for us. Look how fast the water taxi is. Can you see it?
Depends on which fuel you want to save for the altitude adjustments for the trip home.
How much do you need?
I can get by with about 20%.
We use 75% of the rate.
And they've been begging and
It brings the range to zero. The intercept velocity would be 42 meters per second. So you need to back. Then we have 39 minutes to figure out and slow down.
This is St. Thomas, where we were taking a short walk. We didn't go too far because I'm still not feeling 100%. But Steve walked longer than I did. I sat on a bench and he walked down to the NCL Aqua and took a picture of it. It's a beautiful ship. I love the color. I love the painting. It's NCL, but it's Norwegian. Same thing. The fresh air feels amazing. I keep walking around. Steve is, I'm not sure, getting some ice cream. I don't know what he's doing, but he's having a good time. I think he told me he was laying on deck 17 or 18. And it just feels good to walk around and get fresh and coffee. We added the Premier package to our cruise. It was well worth it to us for the lobster alone. I mean, Steve got lobster almost every night. And when we go to Rudy's, they give him lobster as well. It felt like a dream come true, like we didn't deserve to eat this good. But it won us over, and we're gonna stick with Princess Cruises from now on. It was so worth it. Our next favorite thing about Princess Cruises is all of the viewing options for movies, TV shows, the movies outside that they play. They play football games, and they have really comfortable chairs outside. That has nothing to do with Premier or Plus. It's included for everyone. So in your room, if you would like to watch a movie on demand, they even had new movies. They had F1, which was just in the theaters. They had all the Star Wars trilogy. What else did they have that we watched? A lot of Christmas movies. And they even have TV shows like Everybody Loves Raymond, Gilmore Girls. I don't have everything memorized, but you'll definitely find something to watch. There was even family items for kids to watch. So everyone in the whole family will be happy. We're gonna watch a show called Take 5. We're kind of sitting on the far left in case we have to leave early. We're back at the Crown Royal. I'm going to show you their menu. I think it changes. So here's the menu.
Madam, here's gonna be your shellfish, please.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we got pecan pie. We both got pecan pie. Yum. We got pecan pie too. And we're still at the Crown Grill. Thanks for watching.